Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we are going to discuss how to design expressions using the weekday name function in the reporting grid. So, let's get started. First, navigate to the reporting section and open the Sales Register Detailed Report. Go to Setup Column Attributes to proceed with adding the expression. Before proceeding, we need to make a small change in the configuration. Go to Other Settings and here, set the script editor to VBScript for better performance. By default, whenever you create a new configuration, the script window is set to VBScript. However, if it is not set by default, you can manually go to Other Settings and change it to VBScript. Refresh the report. Once you have saved the configuration, return to the Setup Column Attributes section and click on Add or Edit Expression columns to proceed. Make sure to begin the script with the required keyword at the top, single quotes #L script. This should always be included at the beginning of the script. To define a new expression, simply click on the Add Expression button indicated by the plus sign. Enter the expression name and select the type, either text or numeric, depending on the nature of the expression. After that, double-click on the newly created expression to insert it into the script editor. Start the expression with the weekday name keyword followed by an opening bracket. Inside this, we need to use another function to convert the string into a proper date format, so type cdate and open its brackets. Then, insert the parameter date, which is the bill date field from the available columns. After that, close the brackets for the cdate function and then close the brackets for the weekday name day function. Once the expression is defined, save it. Next, scroll down and check the box to enable the column in the report. Finally, refresh the report. As you can see, the new expression has been successfully updated in the report. Based on the bill date, this function returns the weekday name on which the bill was created. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.